Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about glass pool fencing right here in Melbourne.
So, let's dive in. It's the one big question every single pool owner faces, right?
Well, glass fencing is the answer. It's that perfect blend of safety and sleek, modern style. Okay, first things first, safety. This is a seriously strong barrier for kids and pets.
And you get these incredible, clear views, which is just crucial for keeping an eye on things.
Plus, let's be honest, it just looks amazing. That modern design adds a real touch of class.
And there's more. They're easy to clean and can even boost your home's value.
All right, but what are your actual options? Let's get into the types and what they might cost.
You've basically got two main choices here, each with its own unique look and price point.
So in Melbourne, you're looking at about $150 to $300 per meter fully installed. Of course, that final number really depends on things like your pool size and the glass you pick.
Okay, now for something super important, the rules. In Melbourne, compliance is everything.
These are the absolute must-haves for any installation. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
But wait a second, isn't glass, fragile? It's a really common question we hear.
Nope, this isn't your average window. It's toughened safety glass that's built to take a hit.
And that's why getting a pro to install it is so key. They make sure it's safe and up to code.
So you have to ask yourself, what's the perfect mix for your own backyard oasis?